guys, comparative form is when we're comparing between two objects or two persons and there's a difference between them. But comparative form generally form in two ways. In this video, I will show you the first way, which is added ER. We will add ER at the end of the word, adjective word, and the added will be according to the word syllable. That means we need to know how many syllables for the adjective word, because not any adjective word will add it ER. Added then after the adjective. I will show you now a general form for it. Subject 1, verb to be, adjective with ended ER or IER, and word then to show the comparing between subject 1 and subject 2, and then subject 2. Let's tell you when we can add it ER. We can add it ER for any word who has one syllable. Any word who has one syllable, we can add it ER. For example, tall, taller, large, larger, light, lighter, short, shorter. But remember, if the word ending with short vowel, for example, big, we will what? We will double the last letter in this adjective word, like bigger. We will double G, bigger. For example, hot, hot, and in the middle there's a short vowel. What we do? We will only double the last letter, like hot, double T, ER, for the word of one syllable. So again, what we can add it ER if the word is one syllable, but if there is a short vowel and it's one syllable, you will only double the last letter and add it ER. Let's show you also when we can add it ER. We can add it ER also for two syllables, but there's a condition for it. If the word ending with E, what will you do? You will only add it R, like polite, politer, handsome, handsomer. So if it's two syllable and at the end of the word there's E, what will you do? You will only add it R. For the second one, ending in LE or OW. For example, narrow, narrower, simple, simpler. And as we mentioned, if it's ended with E and there's two syllables, we can only add it R. For the last one, which is added IER, at the end of adjective, if it has a Y letter, for example, tasty, and it's two syllable, what will you do? You will delete Y and added IER. Tastier, heavy, heavier. So again, if the word ending with E, you will add it only R if it's two syllable. Be careful. And if it's ending with LE or OW, you will add it ER. And if it's a word ending with Y, you will delete Y and add it IER. Let's show you an examples. Amy is politer than Philip. Subject 1, verb to be, adjective, and why we added ER? Because it's two syllable and at the end there's E, so we only need to add it R. And word then to show the comparing between Amy and Philip, and then the subject 2, which is Philip. Let's show another example. If we compare between Maryam hair and Aisha's hair, you will looking here, Maryam has long hair, Aisha has short hair. So what will you say? Maryam's hair, subject 1, is verb to be, longer, it's coming from word long, and it's because we added ER because it's one syllable, and then word then Aisha's hair. So generally, when you put a comparative form, you must focus on syllable of the adjective before you change and put the form. Let's show you the last example. If we compare between a vegetable and fast food, we can say vegetables, vegetable are what? Healthier than junk food. Why we put healthier? Healthier because healthy, it's a two syllable, and at the end of healthy there's Y. So what are we doing? we only delete Y and added IER, so it will be healthier. I hope you understand it, and let's move on to the second way for the second video. And thank you for attention.